4 years ago, as a young graduate fresh out of college, I was fortunate to have a job at a waste recycling plant in Kampala, Uganda. I remember while at that job, I felt I was not reaching my full potential based on the capabilities I had at that time. My dream was to impact the lives of people, especially farmers, using the knowledge that I had, and that's where I decided to start Ento Organic Farm. At the farm, we use the black soldier fly biotechnology to convert food waste into organic fertilizer. Like many young entrepreneurs, running a profit-making business was very challenging. I almost gave up on this business. That is when I got in contact with Sustainable Access Foundation. Through our collaboration, I received support in formalizing my small business, managing day-to-day operations, and actually, I improved with time. I received a $15,000 grant from Sustainable Access Foundation to prototype my business model in my community. As a result of this, we trained over 200 unemployed youth and women in turning food waste into organic fertilizer using the black soldier fly biotechnology. We also established 12 mini black soldier fly larva rearing units. These were operated by youth and women in the slum community of Kamocha. These youth and women now can meet their basic needs using the income they generate from the black soldier fly rearing units. Sustainable Access Foundation has not only supported us with access to funding, but also helped us to gain more knowledge on scaling our model through their mentorship program. Over the past 3 years, we have boosted our production capacity to over 10,000 kilograms of organic fertilizer produced per month, and we have created meaningful jobs for youth and women in our community. If scaled up, our innovative solution has the potential to clean the environment, create more meaningful jobs, and make farming sustainable in Uganda. I want to thank Sustainable Access Foundation for the support they have given us in implementing our circular model. We believe that together we can achieve more. Thank you.